Now, of course, we're coming all the way back down to this 78% area, which has been really, really common. I like the idea of getting back to test the underside of the 61. This 61 right here, we can go ahead and just mark it in as a gold dash line. You know, one that's like kind of a forgotten 61. Kind of reminds me of what we did to the people on this one. And jabbing them from the underside is quite normal, to be honest. We also have a blue line. I'm going to be really interested in getting back to that blue line too. Huge fan of it, to be honest, huge fan. Any profits that have been secured from here, I mean, what do you need, 15 more points? Or what? It depends. If you didn't take it, no harm done. You might be already in, you could be waiting, depends. It's a deep retracement. We love to attack it. I mean, it's a violent level where every time we swipe it does wrong to most people. That's just the vibe I get from it. Every time we've been interacted, it's the most dangerous freaking level, not gonna lie. It is. Like, I swear, if you obstruct it from getting back to that level, you're picking a fight with the biggest people, and this is how they swing punches. You know, they know it hurts when it does this. You know, people aren't benefiting, and if they're short, then they're laughing for a short period of time, and that's it. Short for a short period of time. Long for a long time. It's in the name, like hedge the fund, you know? But people, they don't get that, because the market goes up for a long time. That's why the institutions are long for a long time. The fund is the long. The hedge is the short trade, held for short periods of time. Do you think all the people that are buying here are safe from the next 700 point pullback? Because we make them how often? Remember, we did it 7 times, and it was so clear. I went over yesterday. Now, this is the B point I was talking about before, when I mentioned that we have the little itty bitty B point up on the green zone. So the 61 had a little bit of a response, right? But at the end of the day, the other 61, we could go back and say hello to them, just like we did before, and then come back up to this one and break it, which is kind of interesting. It's just a simple head and shoulders to inverse kind of theory. Like, it's like, now we make this kind of move. This is the next most important trend.